Okay, so this is the dehydrating nature of sulfuric acid. So basically what you're going to start seeing, just squat, come through and squat in. It's getting darker and darker. We do this again. Soon you're going to see water being like steam, and that's the water coming off. So it's getting black. It gets a bit more exciting, just bear with it. But this is pretty interesting, isn't it? So what's sugar made of? What atoms? Okay, so what do you reckon's going to remain if water's coming off? We're going to see steam.
Carbon.
Yeah. So yeah. But it gets. There's more to this reaction. I just poured a fair bit.
How much acid?
Didn't really matter now. Just pour it in.
It will do other things.
Okay, it's like.
Yeah.
Here
It's
it
going.
goes.
It's going. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Whoa, what the? Wow.
Alright, so this is the hot water as steam coming off. You can have a touch at the end, but you'll need to put a glove on because there'll still be sulfuric acid in it. It's really hot though, we'll let it cool down. It should. This is exactly what happens when you go toilet. But if you touch it when it's finished and cooled down a bit, it's like it's solid. It's hard carbon. It does, isn't it? So that's well, we've got hydrogen and oxygen and stuff in us too. I've never done it on a person. This is one of yeah.
You want to measure it?
Yeah. I think we're getting about it doesn't get much bigger.